Hey, welcome back to another video on how to fix online. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix JazzCash app login issues. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now, try logging in again. Make sure that you are typing your correct information while logging into your account. The next step is that to close your application from the app launcher. Swipe from the bottom of the screen and again swipe upwards. Now try logging in again. If the issue still persists, you can check updates on that application. Type in the name of the application and click on it. You will see an update button. Tap on it to get the latest version of JazzCash application. Now if the issue is still there, you can uninstall the application and install it once again. Tap and hold on the application and click on Remove App. Now click on Delete Application button and confirm it once again. After that, open App Store and search for the application, then click on Download. After the download is completed, you can try logging in again. If the issue is not fixed, you can contact the customer service of JazzCash application. So thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.